How to book flight from booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy, and in today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can book flights on the booking.com website. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're using the booking.com application and you might be thinking there's no flight option, well, that is because the app has a very limited feature. It doesn't allow you to book flights. So in order to book flights you have to log into booking.com from your browser, because as in the app you can see I can book hotels, I can book cars, or even taxi or airport taxis, but I cannot book the flight directly. So what you want to do is, depending upon which browser you're using, you want to simply open it up, and then once you open up your browser you want to go to booking.com. I will also have a link down in the description box as well. Make sure to sign into the exact account again, and then under this time you'll find the option called flights right over here. So once you select the option called flights, you have to select your departing place and from where and to where you want to depart to. So I'll just select the specific date and the specific place over here as well. Then once I select a specific place, I can choose a specific time range. Now it depends upon what kind of flight rate you want, whether you want to fly economy or premium economy or business or first class. Depending upon your type, the prices are also going to vary accordingly, and then you just want to click on the save button after you also select the number of crew members that you want to add to your flight. Then once you've done that, just click the search button. Then booking.com will automatically scan some of the best flights that are available for you based on those specific time range, right? Then after you see a list of all those flights, you just want to make sure to tap on a specific flight, choose a service provider, because all of these service providers are basically different. Sometimes you have British Airways, you also have Expedia, and so on. Then just confirm a payment method, and then after that your flight will be successfully booked. And that is it for today's video on how you can book flight from the booking.com website. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.